Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Ascension Employee Account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Ascension Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as login-oci.ascension.org. In my case, it's the second one, so tap on it. Now you need to provide your user ID and your password to log into your account. So go ahead and type a user ID in the text field given for user ID. Then type a password in the text field given for password. Now to log into your account, you need to tap on the login button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.